Hey everyone! So if your Messenger video call has no sound or you can't hear the other person, don't worry. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger video call sound issue step by step. First of all, you want to make sure your phone's media volume is turned up. Try playing a video or music to confirm your speakers are working properly. After that, you want to go ahead and simply close your Messenger application completely and reopen it again. Sometimes a simple restart refreshes the app and fixes temporary bugs. So after that, go ahead and open up your app store in your mobile device and then search for Messenger application. And once you search for it, if you see update, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So after you do that, head back to your home screen and then open up settings. Inside settings, you want to go ahead and simply scroll below, then tap on apps, and inside apps, go ahead and search for Messenger. Simply tap onto it, and inside here, you want to make sure camera and microphone are toggled on. Once you do that, head back to your home screen and then you want to go ahead and reboot your device. If nothing works so far, restart your phone. This can clear any system glitches that may affect your audio. As a last resort, go ahead and uninstall your Messenger application and reinstall it again. This will give you a latest version and reset app settings without deleting your chats. And that's it guys, your Messenger video sound should be working again now. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.